Hello, I wanted to share with you some work we're doing around traffic safety, specifically data-informed traffic safety. The work we've been doing is very much data-centric, so we'll be talking about data fusion and visualization, how we can bring disparate data sets together to help with the safety decision-making process. We're going to start by talking initially about data patterns. We're actually going to be looking at 2D data and filtering that data. What you've got on the screen here is crash data. So we've actually, in Chattanooga, we've actually marked the locations of crash sites in parts of the city. We've got heat maps there to show where some of the higher crash rates are, and there's clustered data as well, which give numbers. And we've got a number of widgets on the screen. You'll notice I actually start interacting with the demo. So what I've just done there is I've actually started filtering by the widget in the bottom corner, which is a time widget. So this is a time sequence, and you'll see the data is changing in the map. Next, I'm going to go to a collision type and focus on one particular collision type. And again, you'll see that we can actually filter that data. We've narrowed down a particular intersection. We're going to be very interested in what's happening at this particular problematic intersection. We can start looking at digital reality now. So a traffic engineer would normally drive out to that intersection, but what we can do now with LiDAR data and in combination with GIS, as I'm showing here, is we can actually look at that intersection. We can see actual crashes that happened by collecting using handheld LiDAR. We can do measurements as well. Again, this is very highly accurate LiDAR data, so we can actually assess the crashes. We can also zoom around and get a better feel for what's happening there. In this case, we can see that there's potentially a vegetation issue. That may be a cause of the high level of crashes at this intersection. And again, we can use a measurement tool to measure the height of those overhanging branches. So lots of data, lots of different ways that we can bring that data into a single widget-based interface, a dashboard, to start understanding a little better in a diagnostic way safety. Another set of data we're going to show here in this demonstration is connected vehicle data. So now there are lots of vehicles traveling around which have got sensors on them. In this case, the blue dots are harsh acceleration spots, the red are harsh braking.